Let's face it, not every invention needs a patent attorney. It may be early days and your product still needs market testing. Or the invention just may not be fully baked, but you need some protection before sharing it with investors or vendors. Or you may just be pre-funded and just don't have the money at the moment to pay for a patent attorney. Whatever the reason, some protection is better than none, and preparing and filing your own patent application may just make a lot of sense for your invention right now. Just for you, I've recorded a series of short videos explaining in detail how to prepare and file your own provisional patent application. Hi, my name is Carr Ferrell. I'm a Silicon Valley patent attorney. Welcome back to my channel. Watch this series of videos and you'll learn how to determine whether your own invention is patentable, what questions to ask. Your invention's probably more protectable than you think. I'll discuss how you can perform your own simple 3-step invention search to see if someone's invented your product before you. We'll discuss some of the business issues related to getting a patent. Is your invention worth patenting? What are some of the questions you should ask before thinking about getting a patent? Then I'll provide you with the detailed steps of preparing and writing your own patent application. What are the details that you need to include, and what are those that you just can't afford to leave out? For help here, you may want to consult my book, Provisional Patents. It's available on Amazon, both in Kindle form and in print version. Lots of details on how to prepare and file your own patent application with lots of examples. I'll put a link to the book in the discussion section below. And finally, in this video series, I'll show you step by step how to electronically file your own provisional patent application at the United States Patent and Trademark Office electronic portal. From start to finish, this video series will help you organize your invention, prepare your patent application, and electronically file it at the Patent Office. And of course, as always, if you have comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond. And if you find this series helpful, please like and subscribe. The first video starts now. I'll see you over there.